Hello guys, welcome to Just Learn, and today we're going to discuss rational numbers of class 8 CBSE fourth question in exercise 1.1. So let's begin without wasting any more time. Here I'll be displaying the question for you. So under the question we have 6 questions to be solved, so we'll be solving without wasting any more time. So here it says find the multiplicative inverse of the following. All right. So um, before solving them, we'll just see the solutions for first three, then the leftover three. All right. So for the first three, I have the solution displayed for you. So let's discuss one by one without wasting time. Here, what is basically additive inverse or multiplicative inverse? In additive inverse, we had to bring out our output as 0. So in multiplicative inverse, our output must be 1. So to bring out the output as 1, what we need to do, if your question is A, you need to multiply it in the form of 1 by A. Then you'll get your output as 1. How? A and A will be cancelled and leftover is 1, so you get 1. So this concept will be very much clear as we start solving the sums. So let's go with the first one. It is minus 13. So in which form do we need to multiply? 1 by A. So we'll write it in 1 by A. Why is the minus not with 13? Yes, that's a good question, right? So we'll be answering it right now. Yes, why do we not get minus in front of 13 and why do we get it in front of 1? Because we write this number in the standard form. If you have seen my previous video, you might be quite clear of it. So either answer or question should be written in the standard form, right? So how did we get minus 1 by 13? Here is it displayed for you, the explanation. So we have multiplied it by minus 1 by 13. But 13 and 13 get cancelled. Minus into minus gives plus and we are left with 1. So that's how we get minus 1 by 13. So multiplicative inverse of minus 13 by 19 is minus 19 by 13. So this is also in the standard form if you observe, right? So how do we get minus 19 by 13? It's again explained in the brackets where 13 and 13 are cut off and 19 and 19 cancel and minus and minus gives you plus. You're left out with plus 1. That's how you get it. So I hope you have understood this. Moving forward, we have the question 1 by 5. So what's the multiplicative inverse? 5 by 1 or just 5, where 5 and 5 get cancelled, you're left out with only 1, right? So here I'll be displaying the other three solutions for you. So here the question says minus 5 by 8 multiplied by 3 by 7. So how do we write the multiplicative inverse? It's really very easy. So you just write the multiplicative inverse of minus 5 by 8, which is minus 8 by 5. And for minus 3 by 7, it's minus 7 by 3, right? And now what do you observe? Yeah, 8 is multiplied by 7 to get 56 and minus into minus is plus, right? That's how we get plus 56, right? And 5 into 3 is 15. So what's our actual question? 56 divided by 15. The multiplicative inverse of it will be 56 by 15, where 15 and 15, here where 15 and 15 get cancelled, 56 and 56 get cancelled, you're left out with positive 1. So the multiplicative inverse will be 56 by 15. Going forward with the fifth one, you have minus 1 multiplied by minus 2 by 5. So what will be your answer? So you're just going to convert this question. How? Minus into minus gives you plus. That's how you get plus 2, right? This 2 is just written here. And 5 is written as it is. So what's your question now? Your question now is 2 by 5. So the multiplicative inverse is quite simple. 5 by 2, where 2 and 2 get cancelled. 5 and 5 get cancelled. You're left out with 1. So I hope this is quite clear. Moving with the sixth one. So it is minus 1. The question is minus 1. So how do we get the answer? Yeah, the answer is nothing but 1 divided by minus 1. How do we get that? Right? Minus, like 1 and 1 is cancelled out. So minus and minus get plus, and you're left out with 1. So what's your answer? 1 divided by minus 1, which is nothing but minus 1. So that's how we get the answer. So guys, if you really understood my explanation of multiplicative inverse, please give me a big thumbs up, and thank you for watching. Do not forget to share my video and do subscribe my channel if you haven't. Keep watching Just Learn for more videos.